The town hall is a monument protected as a cultural asset of local interest. The building presides over the Fountain Square, being built on part of the remains of the Roman Circus.
The Roman Circus of Tarraco is a Roman building built at the end of the 1st century AD, and all kinds of shows are held, from theater performances to gladiatorial fights and animal hunts. The Cathedral of Tarragona is a Catholic cathedral of Gothic style in
Mediterranean balcony, observation area with views of the sea, the port, the beach and the Roman amphitheater.
The Tarraco Amphitheater is a Roman building near the Mediterranean Sea, behind of the Tarraco Wall. This building was built in 2 AD. In the amphitheater, years ago, people made bloody battles, executions, and animal hunts.
There are 2 playgrounds in our school. The small one only has 2 basketball nets, but in the big playground you can entertain yourself in all kinds of ways. There are 2 goals, so you can play some football. There are also 3 ping pong tables close to the entrance. You can also play table football.
In the technology classroom, we do manual works with tools, and in the laboratory, we do experiments and tests with
Pan tomacat is a slice of bread with tomato, oil, and salt. It also have slices of jam or cheese. It's delicious. It's a very traditional Catalan food too. This is a potato and onion omelette. It's so easy to cook and cheap.
This is paella. It's a mixture of rice with fish or rabbit meat. In Catalonia, we usually eat it on Sunday.
Snails, even if they don't look like it, can be eaten. You boil them and you can make a sauce if you want. The Maginette cookies and the carquinyolis are very typical sweets of Tarragona.
Hi dears, we're gonna explain you what does it mean to be a global scholar.
I think being a global scholar is important to learn about other countries and also collaborating with other people around the world. Collaborating with other people around the world is really interesting.
Global scholars will learn values such as respect. Also, we learn to be responsible with tasks. For me, being a global scholar means to learn to respect everybody, every culture and country. I think it will be interesting to learn about other cultures and countries. With global scholars, you can learn different ways of life.
See you soon, global scholars!